Today I will show you how you can fix your action camera onto your helmet. So let's get started. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can fix your action camera onto your helmet. So let's get started. You can fix the camera here or here, and also you can fix the camera on top of the helmet, but I prefer chin mount. It gives best view out of all these mounts. If you mount on top you get shaky videos, so please avoid mounting on top of the helmet. So in my case what I have done is, my helmet did not had a flat area, so I have used curved mount like this is flat one, and I have used this curved one to fix it. Before fixing it onto helmet, what I have done is, I have used double side gum tape. So you can see it here. I have used this double side gum tape to make a flat platform so that this mount it fits perfectly here. And I have also put Fevibond on side of this double side gum tape, so to make it waterproof and to make it more secure. I have also used these zip ties to make it more secure. This is one time installation and you can't remove it after fixing it. So make sure where you want to fix. If you have a J mount, then you won't have any problem. But if you don't have a J mount, then you have to make a J mount by yourself. And I'll show you how to make a J mount with the available mounts. You need these two mounts to make a J mount. So this is basically used for fixing the camera on tripod. So you just join these two mounts like this and just tighten the screw, align them properly and tighten the screw. Yeah, it should look like this. After making this, you just take this clamp and put it here and you just screw it. And now you have got a J mount made by yourself. After fixing these mounts, take your helmet and slide this to your base clamp like this. And push this rubber strap so it won't come accidentally. So it should look like this. So this is how it looks after installing or after finishing all the process. And let me wear it to you and show it to you how it looks when you are wearing the helmet. So this is how the camera looks when you are wearing the helmet. You can see. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button also. Thank you. Bye bye.
ಕೆಳಗೆ